Jack Psycho. Welcome to Red Vine. Thank you for visiting our place. I hope you enjoyed this place. I call this my haven, my playground.
Wow.
I live here, and this is a God's gift to me. Yeah, this is really a beautiful place for everyone to heal, for everyone to be happy, and everybody's welcome to come and dine with us in our restaurant.
Okay, kindly tell us a brief story nga aging umpisahan mo ini. When did you start this? Ang location?
Well, for one, I decided to retire here. I've been really dreaming to live in the mountain. And I always pray for this, and God gave it to me. He gave this beautiful place to me, and I'm sharing it to everyone. Well, since I built it, we're on our 5th year now. But since we opened, this is like our 3rd year.
Kagkadamo ha, even celebrities, gaadto diri sa imo ha. Si amiga ko, tapos nakita ko sa isa ka picture mo, si Rica Peralejo. And I'm sure, damo-damo gid ang gusto ko gid magkadto diri kay, you know, tourist attraction na ini eh. Kag kung if you love flowers, plants, mountains, river, this is the place for you to unwind, to relax. And again, ang mga food na pinaserve ninyo, ano ang sikreto behind the very delicious food that you're serving us? Economic gift. Unique eh.
Thank you for that. But I don't even have a culinary background. It's just a gift again from God. They can call me to this number 0918-903-490.
Okay. Pwede ba sila ka-overnight diri or just for a day?
Well, we have Airbnb. We have a villa and just 2 bedrooms. We have an entrance fee of 200 pesos, but it's consumable in a restaurant.
Wow.
We don't allow bringing of food unless you rent our tea house. We have a tea house. It's good for small events like at the most 20 packs. There you're allowed to bring food.
Wow. So, mga friends ha, tandaan nyo ha, kung may mga bisita ka mo, especially coming from abroad, dalaan nyo diri, unwind, relax, you know, very close to God because this is nature really.